masking is not a tinnitus treatment. It could be used to at least temporarily provide some relief for an individual, but what's your stance on using masking? I think that some providers probably get too masking happy, and anytime someone comes in with tinnitus, they're like, oh, I'm going to put you in the hearing aid with the best masker possible, and then we're done.
I think that all clinicians are well-meaning. I just think that there's maybe a lack of information or a lack of tools at their disposal. And at that point, the best tool that they have for that patient is a hearing aid in some form of sound generator that might be built into the hearing aid. I'm not a big fan of masking because I don't believe it's a long-term solution for patients. I've seen patients who've worn maskers for decades and show up in our clinic, and ultimately it's really kind of challenging to get them off of those maskers because they're so used to getting coverage during the course of the day. I like to make sure that we have data and also the best tools at our disposal that are going to provide long-term relief for those patients over time.